Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat not working. If Snapchat won't work, crash or won't load or message won't send, don't worry. The steps usually fix it. First, make sure your internet is working, turn Wi-Fi off and back on. Switching between mobile data weak connection is the most common reason Snapchat won't work. Next, close the Snapchat completely, swipe off and remove Snapchat from the recent app. Wait a few seconds, then open it again. Just refresh the app. Now, you can also turn off your phone, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Open Snapchat again and check if it works. After that, open the App Store, search for the Snapchat. If you see in the update, tap it. Using an older version can cause crash and loading problems. Log out and log back in can fix many account related issues. For that, go to the Snapchat, tap on the profile icon, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on log out, then close the app completely, reopen it and log back in. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.